Good day, guys. Welcome back to another video. On this video, I have jumped 25 index. So guys, this one somebody requested this, right? And my admin just let me know that somebody actually requested this. They commented on one of the videos, of the recent videos. So I was like, you know what, let me just do this real quick before go on to the office today. So bear with me, this is gonna be, I don't want this to be long because, you know, I don't wanna be late. But anyways, guys, make sure that you keep, like I said, right, make sure that you like and you comment, all right? Make sure you subscribe, share the videos. Let's get right into the video. So as always, guys, make sure that you respect your chart. Okay, make sure your chart is clean. And here I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Then we're the first step, obviously, we're gonna zoom out at least 3 to 4 times. Right? This is after zooming out 4 times. Again, if you're still getting confused with the price that you're seeing, you can zoom out a little an extra 4 times. All right, so as you can see now, okay, this is what you get. But like I said, right, for me, I was satisfied with the first time when I zoomed out the 4 times. So if you're still getting confused, you can do just like I did here, and you can get the overall view. But be careful that you don't get confused because you have to start from this point here to this point here. And then overall, when you do like this, it's going to be like more of like an extra bigger picture because you're going to have to start from here. Because like I say, after you zoom out like this, it looks like an overall bearish trend. All right, so let's just do this. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then for now, the next step here, after I identify that this, for now, this is a bullish market structure. Okay, we can just trace this market here. All right, can do something like this. Then yes, this is what we have. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna be a bit quick with this one, so bear with me, guys. Okay. Then here the color doesn't really matter, but then here, right? Okay, let me just 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, with this, like I said, overall, this is a bearish trend from the looks of things. So if you're starting from here, right? Let me just show this because I know there's someone right now asking themselves. So if you start from here, right? I'm talking about something like this. Right, and then here for you guys to understand, let's just do that in the part. So this overall this is a bearish trend, right? Then we'd have something like this after we highlight the most recent low high and low low. I'm talking about something like here, right? Then we'd have to focus about somewhere here, as you can see, right? That the price is still within this lower high and this lower low here. Then which means that this here, this is just a simple pullback. All right. So if you know your price or your market structure, then there's no confusion. For me, I just said that, you know what, just focus on the blue one here, and then you're gonna take this as a bullish trend just for now. All right. There's no confusion whatsoever. I just wanted you guys to understand this just about real quick. So I'm just gonna quickly remove this. All right. I hope that you guys are following. Okay. Then even if you don't need that, that's okay. So again, zoom out 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is what we have. Then from here, we can start to focus on the most recent high high and high low. Why? Because this is a bullish market structure. Okay. So from here, you can mark this higher high right there, and then all right. And what do I always say? If a higher high is broken, in this case, it means the more momentum is going to continue to the upside. Rather, if like a higher low is broken, then it means that the momentum to the downside here is going to be strong. Okay, meaning that the structure is going to change the trend, right? So if you start from here, this is the high low. Okay, this high low must not be broken. If it's broken below here, it means the bearish market structure is going to be strong. Okay, the momentum is going to be strong. So here, like I said, we're going to focus on the most recent high low and high high, right? So For us to do that, we're going to need to identify the inside structure or mark out the structure between the most recent high and high low. So for that, you can start here, okay, and just simply trace out this market structure here or this price section here. So say you have to look for the highest, then you go for the lowest, which is about something like this, okay. Then after you identify the inside structure, then you have to see whether is it matching with the main structure or is it going against the main structure. So in this case, you can see that this red one, the inside structure, is also having a series of high highs and high low, which means we can classify this as a bullish inside structure. All right. Then which means that we can also expect to apply some of the same rules here, okay, and then we can highlight or focus between this higher low here and this higher low here, okay. Then just have to make sure that you mark out this so that you don't get confused and whatnot. All right, then from here, pretty much everything is simplified from here, guys. So like I said, right, let me just show you these points, right? So what it means is that as long as you are still above this high low here, all right, if the price comes here, you can expect that it's possible that they might come here and find an area of support, then it reverses, goes back all the way up in there, all right. So for now, let's just remove this so that you can know where to focus on. So from here, if we do happen to get a break below here of this support, then the price possibly might be going here or here. Then another point that I don't think I talked about, on a higher high, you can use this as an overall TP depending on where you get in from your trade. If you get in from here, this here would be your overall TP. Then the same thing if maybe you take yourself from somewhere here or from somewhere here, this would be your overall TP area. Okay, guys, I hope that is very, very clear. Then what else? Okay, okay, there's two more points. So the first point is that if we do get a break above here, right, where are we going, right? So the point that I want to give you is you can use your daily time frame. Just go to your daily time frame. As for me, I'm not going to show you here because that is only reserved for the private groups, all right? Which, by the way, make sure that you check us out if you want to be part of the signal groups and or the mentorship group should be somewhere here on the screen, the prices and everything, right? Other than that, here for the, if again, it's the same thing. If you get a break below this high low, where are we going? You can use your daily time frame to find out that. Then the last point, right, is the trend lines, as I always show you guys that. So in order for us to get a perfect view, let's go back to the zooming out the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now that we have this, you can draw a trend line from any point, right? Remember, as long as you have the first touch and second touch, right? You can either start here or however the case may be, right? Like I'm saying, you can start here, draw your trend line like this, or you can draw it like this. It all depends on you, all right? But for me, I'm gonna be starting from here, right? So when I draw my trend lines, I think first, guys. That's one of the rules that I use. You know, I rather to say the least, just focus on the sides that are closer to where the current price is, right? That's a big point that I just give you, that I've just given you right here, okay? So make sure that you take that into consideration, write down in your notebooks, and all right. So remember that I said I'm gonna be a bit quick here. So bear with me. If you don't understand, make sure you rewatch the video. All right. So here we have first touch, second touch, then we extend here in the this means that we can anticipate a third touch all the way from here. Okay. So which it still falls within everything because we are still gonna be above or inside this high low here, the blue support and resistance, which represent the high low of this blue market structure here. Okay, so again the same thing here, first touch, second touch, then we extend here. It can be the same principles that we could expect to touch if the price happens to break above here somewhere here, if we extend that trend line all the way there. All right, then one more point here. you can use your trend line like this. All right, you can use it right about like this, right? So this is gonna be like an inside trend line, right? Which is the same thing, kind of like the way we did with the inside structure here. Now this is an inside trend line. All right, so first touch again here, first touch, second touch. Then here, like I said, if you've been watching our videos, you know I don't necessarily like to extend like this. I rather just focus like this, right? Because I don't want to miss out or put any projections as to what is what. So now with this, I understand that every touch of a trend line has an area of support and resistance. So it means here there's a support and resistance, here there's a support and resistance. And obviously here, guys, I don't have to make it that simple. You can see here, well, it is that simple. You can see here, obviously here, there's something like an area of support and resistance. So you can use that to your advantage. Remember what I said here with everything, okay? So with that being said, guys, I've given you a lot of points here, and this is all for you. Just make sure that you give us a like. Please, guys, give us a like. Make sure you comment, you share the videos, and most of all, make sure you subscribe. Okay, guys. So this is it from me, guys. I hope that you guys have a beautiful week, beautiful trading week, and yeah, this is it. I'll see you on the next video.